What's up, babes? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing this 5-minute mini tutorial on how I straighten my mom's hair. So if you enjoyed the video, make sure you like and subscribe. But if you want to see how I go from this to this, then keep on watching.
Never been the one get RP up on a whitey. Keep my hands clean, got some hitters moving shicey. Ask me if I'm rolling with some Gucci, bitch, I might be. It's very unlikely, my wrist ain't looking icy. Charging by the minute.
So I'm starting off on freshly washed and blow-dried hair. I am going to be using IC products in this video. This is one of my favorite heat protectants. And I'm going to be using my Salon Tech Titanium Flat Iron, one of my favorites. I got it from Amazon. And I'm going to be setting it to 425 degrees. Come true. You're so strong. So this video is pretty self-explanatory, guys. I don't feel like I need to do a voiceover throughout the whole entire video. I'm just gonna let you guys sit back and watch that shit, okay? I wanna be so strong. I wanna be just like you. I wanna be just like you. When I grow old, when I grow old, yeah. When I grow old, when I grow old. Unfortunately, my camera cut off before I could finish recording the video, so I'm just gonna have to show you guys the finished look. But I did finish off her hair with the hair polisher from IC, one of my favorite products. It keeps the flyaways away and just makes your hair look laid and bomb. And here's the finished look. I hope y'all enjoyed this little 5-minute tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!